Garmin Glo2 Bluetooth GPS receiver review.
I was really excited to get this thing in the mail, and oh, there it is. Hey, I found it. Let's start off with the easy stuff. 12-volt DC, a USB cable. We have a battery. That's a cool looking little thing right here. Pretty small. You know, there's the power plug for comparison.
Navigate with Garmin Caliber GPS data on the mobile device of your choice. The Glo2 receiver brings you the best of both worlds by combining GPS and GLONASS receivers with Bluetooth wireless technology so you can enjoy precise position information on your iPad, iPhone or Android device. The accuracy of GPS and GLONASS. Glo2 can receive position information from both the GPS and GLONASS satellite constellations, allowing it to connect to up to 24 more satellites than devices that rely on GPS alone. This allows Glo2 to lock onto satellites approximately 20% faster and remain connected even at high speed. What's more, Glo2 updates its position information at 10 times per second, that's up to 10 times more often than the GPS receivers in many mobile devices. Set it up and go. Using Bluetooth technology, the Glo2 receiver wirelessly pairs to your mobile device. Just set Glo2 within range of your mobile device, and in moments, you'll be receiving the Glo2 receiver's position data. It has up to 13 hours of battery life to keep your position on long trips, and charging Glo2 between uses is easy with the included USB cable or optional 12x24 volts vehicle power cable. The optional friction mount keeps the receiver safe on your dashboard and in full view of satellites. Track recording at driving speeds is equal to what I've seen on any of my various devices.
ठीक है